Right, these are the visuals of Prime Minister Narendra Modi at the ISKCON temple that has been now opened in Navi Mumbai. This, remember, is very important. While there are traditional initiatives like this, religious initiatives that Prime Minister Modi has been a part of, and similar temples have been opened in different parts of not just the country but the world as well. But this comes in specific focus at a time when ISKCON priests, monks otherwise in Bangladesh are being attacked, including the targets of the Hindu minority in Bangladesh. This in many ways gains significance of how India continues to acknowledge the support. And look at that, how the faith welcomes people from across the world.
Srila Prabhupada ki jai. Namah Vishnu Padaya Krishna Pristhaya Bhutale.
This, remember, is also a certain commitment and a push to boost India's cultural heritage, also adding on to the whole religious tourism aspect, that a country that has such a civilizational heritage, why shouldn't it encourage it more and have the world be attracted to it? We are told this project spreads over 9 acres. There are temples, several deities, an education center, museum, auditorium, healing centers. So this is in many ways a massive premises, not simply a temple as well. This temple focuses to promote universal brotherhood, peace, harmony through Vedic teachings. Modi himself coming in at this temple, remember, adds value also to the initiative. He's meeting the senior monks, priests of the ISKCON and those present there. So an oasis of spirituality, there is architecture, we are told, that has been designed in a very specific manner. You see the entry with the mantras being chanted as Prime Minister Modi enters. He's meeting all the senior leaders and the priests, basically those who are in charge of this temple. This is the Sri Sri Radha Madan Mohan Ji temple, and embodies the vision of ISKCON founder Acharya Abhay, also Bhakti Vedanta Swami Prabhupada. And this, remember, is aimed at a spiritual sanctuary for all.
Srila Prabhupada ki jai. Namah Vishnu Padaya Krishna Pristhaya Bhutale.
Remember that Prime Minister Modi was in Maharashtra, he was in Mumbai itself when the 3 war vessels that have been inducted into India's naval arsenal, and right after that he's ensuring that on one side the defence boost and then the boost to the cultural religious heritage of this country. Foundation stone being laid, looks like a beautiful white marble temple around Prime Minister Narendra Modi. He's taking a tour of the temple, massive 9-acre premises. Different deities, of course, the focus on the gurus as much, those associated with the ISKCON. So inaugurating the ISKCON temple, just before that he commissioned the 3 major naval warships, INS Surat, Nilgiri, Vagshir as well at the naval dockyard. Remember, this is all a combined emphasis. These events signify the symbolism of the push of the government as well. Prime Minister Modi himself inaugurating this and speaking at the occasion. So first, a commitment, boost, strengthen the nation's maritime defence, then also to go ahead and boost the cultural heritage of the country, promote it. And because Prime Minister Modi is a part of this initiative, it of course gets more attention than usual. You can see senior leaders there, present alongside Prime Minister Narendra Modi, Devendra Fadnavis as well, with Prime Minister Modi alongside. Remember, while the state is also emerged and engulfed with the upcoming soon civic polls as well, this is a moment on the sidelines as Prime Minister pushing for how the nation needs to promote on different layers, from defence to culture to religion.